Hi people, this is Zach from visionswell.com. Welcome back once again to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all things travel. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalist travel with 4 incredible packable items from Matador equipment. These items are perfect for those of you who love to travel light and make the most of your personal item space. Without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have the Matador Pocket Blanket. This tiny but mighty piece of gear is a game changer for any traveler. Let's talk about its benefits and its use cases. The Pocket Blanket is ultra compact and fits into a pocket-sized pouch, making it incredibly easy to carry. When unfolded, it provides a spacious surface area of 63 by 44 inches, perfect for sitting or laying down. It's made from a lightweight, water-resistant material that keeps you dry and comfortable no matter where you are. It even has corner weights and sand pockets to keep it secure on windy days. You can even put this little peg into the sand, into the ground, into the dirt. And it's very puncture resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged by rough terrain. And the best part? It packs back down into its pouch with ease, making it a breeze to carry around. It even has stitching patterns along the blanket that show you the folding creases needed to fit this blanket perfectly back into its stuff pocket. It's a must-have for any minimalist traveler for quick beach trips or spontaneous picnics on any kind of terrain. You never have to fear getting your butt muddy or sandy ever again. And it's super easy to pack back into its original stuff sack. Next, we have the Refraction Packable Sling. This versatile bag is perfect for those quick excursions when you don't want to carry a full-size backpack. It's the perfect option for a quick pocket dump when you just need to fit a few things like your wallet, phone, keys, earbuds, things like that. The Refraction Sling is lightweight, durable, and packs down into a compact pouch. Once unpacked, it provides ample space for all of your essentials. The adjustable strap allows for comfortable carrying, and the sling design makes it easy to access your items on the go. It's got 2 pockets. There's one in the front here that it stuffs back into, as well as a back pocket here that's a bit bigger. There's also an external attachment point here and a little internal attachment point on the front pocket. One of the standout features is its slick, minimalist design, which fits perfectly with any outfit or setting. It's a stylish and practical addition to your gear. I also did a full review of this bag recently and a video linked in the description below. If you're interested, go ahead and check that one out too to see things I packed inside, what it looks like full versus empty, and other such details. Moving on, let's talk about the Nano Dry Packable Beach Towel. This isn't your average beach towel. It's designed specifically for travelers who need a quick-drying, compact solution. The Nano Dry Towel is made from an ultra-absorbent nanofiber material that can hold up to 2.3 times its weight in water. It dries quickly, making it perfect for beach days, pool visits, or even as a gym towel. When you're done, it packs down to a small, breathable pouch that prevents odor buildup. The other bonus feature is when the towel is fully spread out, its stuff pocket doubles as a secure zipper pocket to hold your wallet, keys, and phone while you're taking a dip in the ocean. While nothing is completely secure, It provides an extra layer of hidden security for your belongings when you can't take your stuff in the water with you. Imagine spending a day at the beach, then packing up without carrying a heavy, wet towel, or hitting the gym and having a towel that's both lightweight and effective. The Nano Dry Towel makes all this possible, enhancing your travel experience with its convenience and practicality. Plus, the towel's compact size means that it can easily fit into your personal item, saving valuable space for other essentials. I try to find space for this thing anytime it's possible because this is a great essential. I could use it as a blanket on the plane, I can use it as a beach towel, a gym towel, all the things I've mentioned. And look how small it packs up. It fits virtually anywhere and it's pretty squeezable. Last but not least, we have the Droplet water-resistant stuff sack. This little gem is perfect for keeping your gear organized and protected from the elements. The Droplet stuff sack is a versatile, water-resistant pouch that can be used for a variety of purposes. It's great for storing wet or dirty items, protecting your electronics, or organizing your travel essentials. The integrated carabiner allows you to attach it to your bag for easy access. Whether you're coming back from a swim and need to store your wet swimsuit, or you want to keep your electronics safe from unexpected rain, the Droplet stuff sack has you covered. It's also perfect for keeping your toiletries organized and separated from your clothes. When you're done using it for your unexpected kayak trip or for on-the-fly organization of small items, just roll it up and stuff it back into its rubber sleeve on your keychain. Its compact design means it won't take up much space in your personal item, but it provides a lot of value in keeping your belongings protected and organized. There you have it, my friends. 4 amazing packable items from Matador equipment that are perfect for minimalist travel. The Pocket Blanket, Refraction Packable Sling, Nano Dry Packable Beach Towel, and Droplet Water-Resistant Stuff Sack each offer unique benefits and use cases, making your travel experience more convenient and more enjoyable. If you're looking to travel light without sacrificing functionality, these products are definitely worth checking out. I'll leave links to each item in the description below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment letting me know which item you're most excited to try. Here's to new adventures and safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.